Hello guys, this is Joyce. Do you know how many types of common fiber laser sources are there? As a core component of a fiber laser cutting machine, the laser source is the value. In 3 minutes, Joyce today will take you to understand how exactly the fiber laser source work. There are 5 common types of laser sources: fiber lasers, CO2 lasers, semiconductor lasers, disc lasers, and YAG lasers. So, how do fiber laser sources work? Like traditional solid and gas lasers, the fiber laser source is composed of 3 basic elements: pump source, gain medium, and a resonator. The pump source is generally a high-power semiconductor laser. The gain medium is a rare earth-doped fiber or a common nonlinear fiber, and the resonator can be composed of optical feedback elements, such as fiber grating to form various linear resonators, or a coupler can be used to form various ring-shaped resonators, resonant cavity. The pump light is coupled into the gain fiber through an appropriate optical system, and the gain fiber forms population inversion or nonlinear gain after absorbing the pump light and produces spontaneous emission. The generated spontaneous emission light is subject to excitation, amplification, and mode selection of the resonator. And finally, a stable laser output is formed. Taking Raycast laser as an example, the first layer is an optical module, and the main components are 6+1 red light, grating, mode stripper, monitoring board, and beam combiner. The pump source mentioned above is composed of the beam combiner connection. The second layer is an electrical module, which is divided into a control board, a driver board, and a power supply to provide power to the pump source. Seeing this, do you think how fiber laser source work amazing? In fact, it has high electro-optical conversion efficiency, good metal absorption coefficient, and high beam quality. It can be used for metal cutting, metal marking, cleaning, welding, and so on. Widely used in aerospace, in 3C electronics, and also automobile manufacturing. Alright, if you are considering to buy a fiber laser source, be sure to consider a brand with high quality and guaranteed after-sale service. For instance, IPG, SPI, or like Chinese famous brands like Raycast, Max, or GW, and etc. So, if you do have any questions, please leave your message in my comment section, and I will just share you with more knowledge about laser source in my next video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.